How to fix hotels.com rewards not being credited. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is check your qualification. For that, you need to now verify your stay was actually completed and booked through an eligible account, which actually stays credit within the 72 hours post checkout, right? So after doing that, second thing that you can do is simply log in from your hotels.com. Simply log into your account. Then from there, simply if you're logged in, you can tap on the profile icon. You will be able to go into your rewards page, and then from there you can actually tap on report a missing stamp, and you can report a missing stamp from there. So after doing that, if that did not work, then you can try to provide your details. You can enter your confirmation number, hotel name, and also checkout date. Now you can try to contact the customer service, submit a support ticket if the system actually fails to automatically validate the stay. And after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure it will help you fix the hotels.com rewards not being credited.